One egg. 1/4 cup sugar. 1/2 cup milk. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. One cup all-purpose flour. 1 pinch salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. Grams strawberry, cut in slices. Mix well until coat in mixture. Grease the pan. Cover and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Change the sides. Cover and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Strawberries. Chocolate syrup.